If you're trying to lose fat and don't know where to start, this is for you. Forget the fad diets, forget cutting carbs, forget starving yourself. Fat loss is simple. Not easy, but simple. Let's walk through exactly what works and what doesn't based on real science. Fat loss only happens in one way. You must burn more calories than you consume. This is called a calorie deficit. Not keto, not intermittent fasting, not cutting sugar. Those methods can help, but only because they make it easier to eat fewer calories. But here's the kicker. Most people think they're in a deficit when they're not. Studies show people underreport calories by 20–50%. Even dietitians, even fitness pros. You might be eating clean, but clean doesn't mean low calorie. Avocados, almond butter, smoothies, they add up fast. Here's how to actually get into a deficit. Step 1, figure out your maintenance calories. Use a TDE calculator. Step 2, subtract 300–500 calories from that number. Step 3, track everything you eat for a week, weigh your food, log it honestly, and know your metabolism isn't broken. If the scale isn't moving, you're either A, not in a deficit, B, retaining water, C, eating more than you think. Fat loss isn't instant. It's not linear, but it is guaranteed if you're in a deficit consistently. Now, what should you eat? High protein meals, at least 0.7 per pound of body weight. High volume foods, veggies, fruit, potatoes, oats. Foods with low calorie density but high satiety. Avoid ultra-processed snacks, not because they're evil, but because they're easy to overeat. Drink more water. Get 7–8 hours of sleep. Walk 7 tank steps a day. These habits support your deficit without adding stress. You don't need to suffer. You need to eat like someone who respects what their body needs. Here's the truth. Fat loss works if you understand the science. It's not a quick fix, but it is a real, repeatable process. Track your intake, move more, stay consistent. That's it. Subscribe to Lean Science Lab for more no BS, research-backed weight loss advice. We post new videos every day, shorts, explainers, and myth-busting deep dives. Let's get lean the smart way.